Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to start to make your drawings or your blueprints in OnShape. Okay, so you go down to the plus symbol here and you create a drawing. And you're going to be asked what size drawing you want. Now, we want ANSI A. ANSI A is about the size of normal printer paper, letter paper. So click ANSI A, no views, OK. Now we're going to have a blank template here, and just like in an assembly, we have to insert our items. Now we want to insert our assembly. So this little blue box is parts, and this is assemblies or sketches. This is parts, and this is assemblies. So we click into assemblies, and there you have your catapult. Now, you notice over here, it defaults to showing a front view. For our packet, we want a side view and a top view. So I'm going to switch this down here to the one that gives us the correct side view. Now I clicked right, and that looks good to me as the side view. I also, remember, I want to make it take up as much space as it can on our page. So instead of 1/6 scale, I'm going to go up to maybe 1/2 scale. That's too big. So we're going to go to 1/3 scale. That looks just right. And then you click it to stick it down. Now OnShape automatically wants to put in another view. It wants to put a side view over here, or a side view over here, or an isometric view. Okay, but we don't want to put any more views in this sheet. So we're going to press escape to break free. Now we have our first sheet done. Okay, I'm going to click and drag around here to get rid of most of this stuff. Delete. Okay, and you can clean the rest of these up as well. We don't need all these extra options here. So you can play with that. Now, we need, just like we did on our regular hand-drawn packet, we need another sheet for a top view. So you come over to here to see all the list of the sheets. Currently, we only have one sheet. Well, if you click here, you can insert a new sheet. Now I have a blank sheet. Okay, so now we want to put our assembly in. So we're going to click Insert a View, and we're going to click here to insert the actual assembly. And here's this dialog again. So now we're going to click Assemblies, Assembly 1. And here we are again with our front view. Well, we want a top view. So we're going to click Top. And now we have a top view. Okay, 1/6 scale. No, let's go to 1/3 again. And there you have it. And we're going to click it to stick it. And remember, it's going to want to make another view. So we're going to escape. Now, if you realize something, this top view is rotated compared to our side view. We want them both to be arranged the same way. So I'm going to double click this view. And when you double click a view, you can go back in and change some things up. Well, I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees here. Enter. And that's going to put my view at the correct orientation. And I'm going to just drag it into the middle. And there you go. Okay. So that's how you insert views. Now, you can add dimensions here if you want, but I'm going to go over that with you guys later, so don't worry about it. We can add another sheet. You need an isometric view, and you need detail views. Detail views are here. Okay, so you guys have fun with this. Try to make a couple sheets today. Try to finish your assembly today. This will be due Monday or next week when we come back. Okay, so get going on creating drawings. Finish up your assembly, and have fun today. Stay focused on the work, okay? One last thing with drawings. If you change something, like let's say I go to change my part here, and I need to make this part shorter. Let's say it has to be, 12 inches. Okay, that's great. Well, your assembly will rebuild automatically. And your drawing will rebuild too, as long as you hit this yellow arrow up here, your drawing will rebuild. Okay, so if I go to my side view, double click, and I rebuild, your drawings rebuild automatically as well. Okay, sheet 2, double click, and it rebuilt. Okay, so I don't like that change, obviously, so let's change it back. 14. There we go. All right, guys, so that is creating a drawing. Have fun with it. Keep your head into your work. Be respectful to the sub, and I will see you when we get back. Thank you.